Hi, my name is Sam Surkang. In this short video presentation, I'm going to show you how you can actually request a site for IT Service Desk from our website tingbasoft.com, and we will actually provision it using our SaaS Site Manager, and within less than 10 minutes you should actually have a site up and running. So let's get started. You go to the home page, click on Take a Test Drive. This will take you to a page, a registration page, where you can actually sign up. So go ahead, and there are about 6 fields you got to fill out. So I'm just going to put a name for the site that I want. So it will be called http://cloud9.tingbasoft.com. Name of the company, fictitious company. So I'm just going to call it Cloud9 Investment Services. And the contact person, so in this case I'm just going to put John Smith, and email and a phone number so that we can get back to you. So this is what's going to happen when I click create my site. It actually sends out an email to our team at tingbasoft.com. So by now an email should have been received. So let me quickly check my email, and it says I've received a request for a site. So the URL is cloud9.tingbasoft.com, John Smith, and Cloud9. And so I'm going to put all this information into our SaaS Manager. So we go here. As an administrator, I can log in to my administrator portal and to provision the site. So this is the SaaS administrator logging in, and first thing I want to do is create a new organization. And the company code, I'm just going to call it Cloud9, and the name of the company is Cloud9 Investment Services. First name John Smith, and John Smith at cloud9inv.com. And then I'm just going to put the phone number, fictitious number here. Time zone, this is important because all your interactions, all the tickets that you create, all the incidents, problems, everything is going to be stamped based on your time zone. But you can change this as a personal preference. So I'm just going to put a theme and license type. So there are 3 types of licenses. For now, I'm just going to put enterprise, and the language would be English. So far, I have basically set up an organization, and now I'm just going to set up a default administrator for this organization. So I'm just going to call the username and admin, and Joe admin, and I'm going to give a password for the admin, and joe.admin at cloud9inv.com. So time zones, really, I can put a time zone, but if I don't put anything, then it's basically going to be the time zone of the organization. And same thing with language. If I don't put a language, it'll default to the English, which is for the organization. So far what I've got is, now I've created the organization, and I've also created a user. So let's go and check. At this point, we have been less than 2 minutes, I guess, and we can see that Cloud9 is already there. Login, and of course you need the user ID. So the user that we created, admin, and we log in as admin user. So there you go. You actually have a brand new site with all these links, and it's also called Cloud9 Investment Services. So one of the first things you want to do is to customize your logo and then link. There are a lot of customizations that can be done, but I'm just going to cover how you can customize your logo, the color scheme, and then the navigation. So click on admin, and as you can see, there are a lot of things that you can do here. I'm just going to say manage style first, and there are 4 different styles that you can apply. So we'll apply style number 4. We do that, and then you want to apply your logo. Browse, and I have a logo for Cloud9 Investment, and I'm just going to apply that. Upload, apply this logo. So fairly quickly we have customized the color combination, and also we've actually applied a logo to your site. Now as an admin, I don't like the fact that the admin's right in the middle, so I want this admin to link to show up somewhere in the right side. So we can do that through user administration, manage roles. As an administrator, there is this thing called built navigation bar. So you can actually have different navigation bar for different type of users. By default, we have created 3 classes of users: service desk, regular user, administrator. So let's just focus on building navigation bar for the administrator. There are a lot of advanced navigation bar customizations, but for now we'll just focus on just rearranging it. So admin, we want to show right at the bottom. You can just drag it and leave it there. And also I want to show reports right after change, and there you go. And you can save that. And now so let's try this out. Navigation changes are actually not displayed immediately. You have to log out, so we'll just log out. And so you can see that it's already moved things around. Admins at the end, there's a log out. You can also add links. So in your site, if you have user guides and things like that you want to show under let's say under reports, then you can do that actually. So let's just go to admin and manage roles, and same thing I'm going to do here. So let's say you want to show a link under reports, which is basically a link that will open up in a new window, and let's say the link is basically a site. So we can say new, and level is what is, you can choose level for now, and link name, let's just say help so help docs, and we'll just call it for now. And then the target we want to just open up in a new window. So when we say it's a level 1, it means it's not the main menu. So if you want the level 1 to show under reports, we just drag it and leave it right under reports. So now this is right under report. There will be a drop down called help docs. Obviously it's not your help documentation, but we'll just go to google.com. Let's save this, and now we log out. And admin user. Okay, so you can see that under report there's a link called help docs, and when you click on that, it opens up a new window. In your case, it will be your link to your PDF or all the documentation. So thank you for listening to this video presentation. So in the next few presentations, I'm going to cover how to set customize email templates, and then follow that up with workflow and rules. Thank you.